blended with the mood and the pace of the films and had the taste of the locales. With ghazal always at heart, these films had the unmistakable ghazal flavor to their compositions. Kamal Amrohi's magnum opus, Razia Sultan, was another feather in Khayyam's illustrious musical cap. But his best came with Umrao Jaan, the story of a courtesan poetess. And Asha Bhosle lent her best voice in the film. Khayyam composed Mujra without losing the classiness in the compositions. He also bagged the Best Music Director National Award for Umrao Jaan. Khayyam is perhaps among the rare composers who have tried to keep the sanctity of the lyrics at the same time keeping the melody intact, which is perhaps the reason why most of his compositions are associated with poets. Khayyam also gave music to television serials. He's married to singer Jagjit Kaur, who is not just his partner in life, but also shares his passion for music. The 9th Pune International Film Festival takes pride in honoring this great maestro for spinning melodies in gold to entwine and encapture our hearts forever.
La 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 la, la 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 la.
Master craftsman, dream merchant, the ultimate showman. So many adjectives. Whatever you call him, Subhash Ghai.
Right from my childhood, sound of music, the notes of music, always affected my body, my mind, my soul. When I saw cinema, when I grew up further, and I found the expansion of the sound in such a magnum way that I started liking movies.
The name that smells success is an alchemist, a man with a Midas touch. After completing graduation in commerce from Delhi, he followed his heart and joined the Film and Television Institute of India in Pune.
I had great teachers like Ritvik Ghatak, and we were lucky enough to expose ourselves, with the various kind of cinemas over there.
He started his career as an actor until his first directorial venture, Kali Charan.
सारा शहर मुझे लॉयन के नाम से जानता है। जानता हूँ कि आपको लोग एक शेर के नाम से जानते हैं, मगर ये मत भूलिए सेठ दीनदयाल कि जब शेर आदमखोर हो जाता है तो सरकार उसे अपनी गोली का निशाना बनाकर कुत्ते की मौत मार देती है।
Kali Charan was followed by Vishwanath.
जली को आग कहते हैं, बुझी को राख कहते हैं, जिस राख से बारूद बने उसे विश्वनाथ कहते हैं।
अब सुनो दास्तां।
But it was the musical Qarz, the story of reincarnation, that established him as a filmmaker to reckon with. Qarz was also the beginning of a long-standing relation between him and the music composer duo, Lakshmikant Pyarelal. Music has always been the strong point of Subhash Ghai's films. Plots have revolved around music.
When I write my script, I also write a background score. I write the songs part of it, which has to be integral part of the story.
Ghai has been instrumental in bringing stalwart actors together.
आज पता चला अब बड़े नहीं हुए, अमीर हुए, सिर्फ अमीर। आपकी तिजोरी तो बड़ी हो गई है, लेकिन आपका दिल बहुत ही छोटा हो गया। अबूबा, आप अपने मकाम और अपनी हैसियत से बहुत बढ़ के बात कर रहे हैं।
He has also introduced many new faces and new actors onto the silver screen who have gone on to become stars and megastars.
बदलते रहे, लेकिन मेरी तकदीर नहीं बदली साहब, तकदीर नहीं बदली। लेकिन भारत जय, जो मजा जय की दादा में है, वो जय किशन में नहीं। जय के दादा एक गुंडा।
राणा, मुझे तुम्हारा ये थप्पड़ भूलेगा नहीं।
भूलना चाहिए भी नहीं। मुझे खुशी है कि तुम्हें हिंदुस्तानी थप्पड़ का अंदाजा हो।
Words like megastars and blockbusters have been coined after his films.
बड़ा दुख दीना तेरे लगन में, बड़ा दुख दीना।
जी ओ जी लो जी सुनो जी, मैं हूँ मन मौजी, करता हूँ मैं जो वो तुम भी करो जी। 1 2 का 4 4 2 का 1।
हम खैरात नहीं लेते वीर सिंह, हम तुम्हें मारेंगे और जरूर मारेंगे।
इमली का बूटा बेरी का पेड़, इमली खट्टी मीठे बेर।
आपकी भक्ति और भगवान आपका देश, आपकी सरकार, मेरी भक्ति और भगवान मेरा गिरोह, मेरा मालिक। नायक नहीं खलनायक हूं मैं।
चोली में दिल है मेरा, चुनरी में दिल है मेरा, ये दिल मैं दूंगी मेरे यार को, प्यार को।
Simplicity is the best asset for any creative artist. So you have to be deep rooted, but then you think big. So you visualize such a bigger way that you can present the same soul with a bigger body.
ये दिल दीवाना दीवाना है, ये दिल
ये बेचैन वे।
In the 90s, his films like Pardes and Tal opened a wider audience worldwide for Indian movies. Subhash Ghai and A.R. Rahman teamed up for the first time for Tal. Tal was the first Indian film to be featured in the Hollywood Top 20.
अपने पापा से झूठ बोलती है। मैं तेरे झूठ को समझ गया बेटा।
तो लोग तो ये समझेंगे ना कि मोहल्ले के किसी मुसलमान ने। नहीं नहीं नहीं, नहीं। तो फिर उस दिन की तरह हिंदू मुसलमानों में आग भड़क जाएगी।
I like to talk to new people because they educate me, they entertain me, and I really love that part of joy of discovery, you can say.
Subhash Ghai had already turned producer with Karz. When not directing, he has often taken up the baton of a producer and produced films for other filmmakers, especially the young and budding. In the year 2000, Mukta Arts Limited became the first Hindi film production company to go for public investment.
When I presented a bigger body of cinema, probably that was the reason the media titled me as a showman. But if you ask me, I'm the one of very, very simple person, and I like to be as child should be. This is my interval, second half is yet to begin. I feel कि committee should give it to me life at interval award.
An institution in himself, he opened a center called Whistling Woods International Institute for Film, Television and Media Arts, which he calls his dream project.
जिंदगी हर कदम एक नई जंग है, जीत जाएंगे हम, जीत जाएंगे हम।
संग है
जिंदगी हर कदम एक नई
The 9th Pune International Film Festival salutes this dream merchant.